Hey y'all, after last year's trip to Italy, I had so many people commenting asking for tips on how we packed for 2 weeks in backpacks that I decided to do a little video. We're officially 2 days away from leaving for Paris, so I wanted to show you guys how I prepare. Went ahead and pretty much got everything laid out. Here is my e-bag, purchased for $100 on ebags.com. This backpack is amazing, collapsible, has all kinds of extra pockets and storage options. We have 2 of these and we each take one. They've been immensely useful. That is your first checklist item, is to get a really good backpack. So I have packed 8 long sleeve shirts because it's going to be highs in the 50s, lows in the 30s in Paris. I have an extra jacket. I'll be wearing a jacket on the plane. I have extra bra, about 10 underwear, 9 socks. I have some snacks for the trip. There is my sleeping pillow for the plane. I have extra pants there, an extra pair of shoes, some extra scarves, my toiletries, and then my conversion so that way I can use, outlets while overseas. The pillow is pretty cool. It's a neck pillow that you basically wrap around your neck rather than a big blow up one. And so I am going to show you guys how I actually get them all in this little backpack. Once you have everything set aside for your trip, the next step is to pack them up. These are fantastic storage bags you can buy on Amazon. You basically use a second zipper system to flatten your bags. I have this set up for different days of travel. So this bag here has 4 shirts, 4 underwear, 4 socks, pair of pants, and some other accessories in there. This one has for 3 days worth. That way, whenever we're stopping in an individual place, I don't have to get everything out, just that day's stuff. This one has some extra pants and it has my leather jacket. I also use the shoes to go ahead and make room for extra items. And then I have my other bags there. My bags are now all collapsed. Basically just zip them up and it makes them nice and flat. I have all my toiletry bags in this section and everything else will go in here. Okay, now all 4 bags are in. The smaller one, the shoes on the top, the 2 bigger ones there, they're strapped in. And it folds right over. And there you have it, just about 16 pounds. And it has everything that I showed you guys at the beginning of the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. And if you have any ideas for ways we can improve even more, just shoot them in the comments.